Kani gadega Party CTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kaluk Jan Shakti Party LJP Meghalaya kalapan bana bakan Pynïeng Kyrtong jongka haka election MLA arjar khat pra. Habaya keren bagi noktok kubor Shillong Press Club u State President ke LJP u Jamil Ahmed ulaong bakat haduk mentah ka parti kampat rai haduk kat nungut kan penyekon. U Jamil ulaong ba ka parti kan sasyem ya karai hakilai ne sau panai shwa ke election bat kani ka parti hak election MLA baladeb kala penyekon khat prangut haus nam arjar pra bat sau ngut hau arjar khat lai. Ka parti kala yuthuru ba haduk mentah ka don silak tam ki dikhot hak Jylla.
So basically this party was formed in the year 2000, 28 November 2000, and now we have completed 17 years. But in Meghalaya it was formed on 4th June 2006. So out here in Meghalaya also we have completed 11 years. So even though we are regarded as a very small party, but we are doing whatever possible we are doing for the best of the people of Meghalaya. The LJP Meghalaya has not only supported the village administration bill by the state government, but also demanded its early implementation so that the traditional culture and custom of Meghalaya can be preserved. A delegation of LJP Meghalaya headed by its president has recently called upon the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya and has demanded early passing and implementation of the same. In the same meeting with the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, the LJP has requested him to preserve and protect the indigenous custom, culture and tradition of the local population.